Hey there, and welcome back to the Sparoom YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most relaxing and rejuvenating self-care practices that you can add to your routine, taking aromatic baths. Now, I know many people don't take baths that often, or maybe they've never even tried one with essential oils or bath salts. But by the end of this video, you'll see why a simple bath can be so much more than just a way to unwind. It can actually be transformative for both your physical and mental health. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're Sparoom, an aromatherapy brand dedicated to sharing how-tos, DIY projects, and information and education about essential oils and aromatherapy that bring peace and joy to your home. So let's get started. Bathing is not just a modern self-care trend. In fact, the use of aromatic baths dates back thousands of years. Ancient cultures around the world understood the healing power of water combined with natural plant oils and salts. In ancient Egypt, Cleopatra was said to bathe in milk infused with essential oils to keep her skin soft and glowing. And the Greeks and Romans had elaborate public bathhouses where they'd soak with warm water that was infused with herbs and oils like lavender, rosemary, and eucalyptus. For them, baths weren't just about getting clean, they were about rejuvenation and social connection. In Japan, the practice of onsen, bathing, soaking in hot springs rich in minerals, has been used for centuries to heal the body and promote relaxation. Similarly, in Nordic cultures, hot and cold water therapy has been used to boost circulation and detoxify the body. Across the globe, people have recognized the power of water and nature to heal and restore. And you can easily tap into that wisdom with your own aromatic baths at home. So, why should you consider making baths a regular part of your routine? First off, the physical benefits of an aromatic bath are profound. When you add essential oils and salts and other natural ingredients into the water, you're not just relaxing, you're actively supporting your body's health. One of the biggest benefits of taking a bath is that it helps to soothe sore muscles and aching joints. Whether you've had a tough workout or just a long day on your feet, soaking in a warm bath can relieve tension in your muscles, reduce inflammation, and ease chronic pain. Adding Epsom salts to your bath takes this even a step further. Epsom salts are rich in magnesium, which can help to relax your muscles and even detoxify your body by drawing out the toxins through the skin. Magnesium is also known to improve sleep quality, so if you're having trouble falling asleep, a warm bath before bed might be just the trick you need. Essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, when they're added to your bath, they can further boost your physical health. Lavender helps to relax your body and mind, promoting a restful sleep, while eucalyptus can open up your airways, helping you breathe better, especially if you're dealing with a cold or allergies. And peppermint, well, that can cool and refresh your skin while easing muscle aches. So whether you're looking to reduce pain, detoxify your body, or improve your skin, an aromatic bath has you covered. But it's not just your body that benefits from taking an aromatic bath. It's also incredibly good for your mental health. Think about it. How often do you give yourself the chance just to be? To take a break from the busyness of life, unplug from the digital world, and simply relax. That's exactly what a bath offers you, a chance to slow down, clear your mind, and recharge. Aromatic baths are a form of aromatherapy, which is the use of natural plant oils to improve your mental and emotional well-being. So when you breathe in the scents of essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or frankincense during a bath, your brain actually responds by releasing chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, which help you feel calm and uplifted. Lavender, for example, has been shown in studies to reduce anxiety and stress, while chamomile helps to calm your nerves and promote relaxation. And frankincense, well, that's known for its grounding properties, helping you feel more centered and balanced. Imagine ending a stressful day with a warm bath filled with calming essential oils, letting go of your worries as you soak in the soothing waters. It's like having your own spa right at home. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how to create the perfect aromatic bath at home. First, start with warm, not too hot, water. You want the temperature to be comfortable and relaxing, not scalding, okay? And if you're adding salts or the Sparoom bath salts, opt for ones that have Epson salts like Sparoom or Himalayan salts or Dead Sea salts, which help with detoxifying and softening the skin. Next, choose your essential oils. Or you can buy Sparoom bath salts, which already have essential oils blended in. But if you're adding your own essential oils, lavender is always a great choice for relaxation. But you can also mix other oils based on how you're feeling. Eucalyptus, for example, is great for colds and congestion. Peppermint is refreshing and energizing. And a floral oil like ylang ylang or rose oil can help lift your mood and make your skin feel luxurious. Mix the oils together with a carrier oil first, like coconut or jojoba oil, before you add them into the bath water. This helps to disperse the oils in the water and protects your skin from getting irritated. Finally, set the mood. Maybe light some candles, play soft music, grab a glass of wine or a cup of tea, and let the stress of the day melt away. So, there you have it. Aromatic baths aren't just a nice way to unwind. They're a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being. So whether you're looking to soothe aching muscles or clear your mind or simply take some much-needed time for yourself, adding essential oils and salts to your bath can make a huge difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. So why not treat yourself to an aromatic bath this week? You'll be amazed at the benefits it can bring. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wellness tips. And remember, wellness starts with simple, mindful choices. See you next time.